Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode before repair on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need to do is go to settings, then scroll down a lot, all the way down to be honest, then click device care, scroll down again, and here you have maintenance mode. Before I turn it on, I need to tell you, to turn it on you need to have screen lock. I have PIN, so I can turn it on. Then you can create a log and restart, or you don't need to create a log, but I will create log and restart. Okay, let's click restart. Then you put in your current PIN. Let's continue. As you can see, it's creating a log and then it will restart your phone. So I will be back after it restarts. Okay guys, as you can see, my phone has restarted. As you can see here, it is in maintenance mode here. Okay guys, so let me tell you about maintenance mode. What this does, it hides your personal data from the person who repairs your phone, okay? And if you want to turn it off after you picked up your phone from repair, you go here to maintenance mode again and then click exit and restart your phone. Here you click restart, put your PIN in and click continue. It restarts your phone, and after it restarts, your phone will be back to normal. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.